back to my channel. I am about to go on a hike to a shore in Maine, Casco Bay Trail, and we will be here for a while. Everything is running in that direction.
The tide's going out.
Is this the ocean or a lake?
It's the ocean.
It's the Atlantic, right? Atlantic Ocean. I think the Pacific Ocean is more scarier than this.
Yeah, well, the further down you go south, there's sharks. Like, so both sides there's sharks, but there's not. I mean, yeah, there is, but not like close by. You go out, but the water's too cold for there to be a lot of. Like Massachusetts, you see porpoises and different kinds of whales, and you see like seals, but there's no stingrays and stuff. You got to go down further south for any of that. It's very cold.
Yeah.
Even in the hottest day in the summer, it's like cold. So it keeps a lot of the. But there's jellyfish. They're not like real poisonous, but you'll hurt if you ever touched one. But it's not.
Oh, she's sucking on the thing.
She likes to eat it. She's like, yeah, baby. The reason like they're endangered because they're super sensitive to their environment. I've never seen usually they're like that. Baby does not cry.
And here's another one.
Yeah, they said there's a lot.
The caterpillars.
Oh yeah, they said there's a lot of them.
Don't cry! Oh my god. This is a really good place for kayaking. Like this looks similar to Wisconsin.
We can sit.
What the hell is that?
What? Have you not seen a chipmunk before?
No, I've never seen a chipmunk before.
Oh no. It's like a squirrel, but tiny. You seen a squirrel?
Yeah, I've seen a squirrel.
Yeah, he's right in there.
Oh yeah. That's so cool. He's small.
Yeah, they're really tiny. They're loud though when they get mad. Like at each other. There's a cartoon.
That's the only thing I know about. Yeah.
Okay, like
the singing ones.
Oh, Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Yeah, but there's another one. What are those chipmunks that are?
Chip and Dale.
Yeah.
Oh.
They're it's another chipmunk.
Hi.
Did you want to get back to the car?
No, I just don't want to get lost. I've watched too many movies.
No, you stay on the trail. Oh my god. It just loops around. All the movies are live.
The state looked like a movie state, you know, where they show the scary things happening.
The two people get caught.
You just disappear.
The group of people get lost in the woods.
Yeah.
Get attacked by a rabid bear.
Right. Turn around and Blair's gone. I'm worried because I know there are things here that are dangerous.
But they don't come out. Not. But the thing is, the things that are dangerous are only dangerous, like bears are only
Yeah.
really dangerous when they first come out and they have their cubs with them. So
Mm.
moose can be dangerous. That's what can be, they can,
Moose, you just don't. If you see a moose in the distance, you just go like this, and then if it starts charging you, you just run around a tree.
but they don't, that's rare.
Yeah.
That's if they have a calf. Rutting season, like
Like
when they're,
moose, that's mostly in November when they're trying to mate.
yeah, that's
Oh.
rutting season.
I think I've seen a moose already. The last time I came here, not sure. Maybe it was a deer or something.
Oh, if it was a moose, you'd
I
know.
think it was a
Moose are
deer.
huge.
Oh,
That thing that we hung up,
yeah,
that was a deer.
that was a deer. Oh,
A moose would be like two
two times.
times, 2-3 times.
A moose,
Oh.
would you say a moose would be at the top of that root thing?
Yeah, that tall.
That's they're
would be
big.
How tall is it? They're like 500 pounds.
Jesus.
They're big. Like produce.
Yeah.
Like,
Whatever for the
and that one right down there that's going up like that, they call it a widower. So they won't cut that one, because if they cut that, could spring the other way and kill someone when it comes down. So,
Oh.
so they'll leave that, and hopefully
Okay.
the wind will blow it down. They should have cut them so they were like seat size.
Oh.
That would be cool.
Maybe they're gonna sell them or something.
I doubt it. I don't think they're allowed to
Oh.
because it's protected.
No, but the ones that are
Yeah,
have
already
fallen.
That's why I don't think there's like enough
Well,
for it to be worth
can't
it.
do anything but that pine. You can't burn that in your house because it creates this black tar stuff, and you
Oh.
can get chimney fires with it. You have to get hardwoods like oaks and stuff like that to burn.
Oh.
You can use
okay.
it for like campfire,
Oh.
like
Okay.
where it's like nothing, it's just out. Like pine, that's what they cut down and they make boards out of.
It's
and
so
that kind of-
strange how much we know about wood.
Yeah.
It's just where we grew.
Because
I
you
know,
grew up
it's
in.
funny.
Yeah.
I went on a hike and
My dad was a logger, and
I was
Yeah.
talking to people about wood. Like how much? Oh, I like to pick. Oh yeah, that's a oak tree.
But that's where I mean you grew up here, so you would know a lot about
Yeah.
the area.
Well, even
Although some people don't.
Don't.
Though.
I don't know where this might just loop around, but I
This
think
one definitely-
like that one goes back to the parking lot.
to
but-
park, 0.3 mile.
Yeah.
Right.
What
So-
does this one say?
But I mean, I'm glad with just walking.
Park boundary. Please
Yeah.
respect
It's-
private property.
Yeah. So if you go past there,
This
it's
is 1 mile to.
Danny, how old are you?
I am 26.
I think you're really brave, like traveling around
Yeah.
on your own and like, you know.
I've never met anyone in Jamaica like me. So.
I've never met anyone anywhere like you. Yeah, you're really unique and awesome.
I just think it's really cool that you're just like you're really brave that you'll just go and these places and.
This is the end of my trail. I enjoyed it, and I hope that you enjoyed it too. Traveling with me on a virtual hike, virtual tour. I'm going to check out Maine and see what else there is. I hope you have an idea of what of the things that we have here in Maine. Well, what they have here in Maine. There are some clubs that I want to visit here. No, I want to do island hopping, so I'm going to consider that maybe in this week. And I'm going to do hopefully kayaking next time. Maybe be here in winter to do snowboarding and some other things. But I hope you enjoyed what I have here. See you guys.